So you want to know integration by parts so you can destroy your next calculus exam. Then you've came to the right place. If you can stick with me for 5 minutes, then you will know how to easily do integration by parts and absolutely obliterate your calc exam. This 5-minute video shows you where it comes from, how to do it, and multiple examples. So buckle up and let's lock in. Sometimes you're asked to integrate a function that is a product of two things multiplied together. Integrate x times ex. This is hard to do directly, so we have to use a trick. The trick is integration by parts. What is integration by parts, you may ask? It is basically just the reverse of the product rule of differentiation. But anyway, how to use it? In the formula you have two factors to choose, u and dv. You can't really just choose them aimlessly. Why? Because there is a second integral here, which you want to be easier. So a good strategy is to pick u as something that gets simpler when differentiated. This Lyautey rule is a good guideline, but it doesn't always work. Let's try integrating x times ex. Pick u as x and dv as ex. Now integrate dv and differentiate u. Now use the integration by parts formula. Plug it in. Then finally integrate this last bit. Don't forget the c. Let's see what happened to the guy who chose u and dv the other way round. Way more complicated. So if you end up with a more complicated integral, try changing your u and dv. Let's try this example. What is u and dv here? Now differentiate u and integrate dv. Use the formula. Plug it in. Simplify a little bit. And now, you have to use integration by parts again. So here we go again. For this integral, set u and dv. Integrate and differentiate. Now use the integration by parts formula again. Finish this last integral. Now sub this back in. That is how lovely integration by parts can be. But look at this example. What? No product? Well, actually there is. This integral is pretty simple from here. But this final example could be your demise, so no more playing around. Here it is. Take it in. Write it down. Do what you need to. This is the single hardest integration by parts question you can reasonably expect at this level. So here we go. Set your u and dv. Integrate and differentiate. Plug into integration by parts formula. And guess what? You have to use integration by parts again. So do it. You should get to here. And look, oh no, you have to use integration by parts again. Psych! Watch and learn.